Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Coming here with a very impressive product that I've gotten a few different cases from. This is at MaxCases.com, and they sent us a few of these, 3 of these we're reviewing, so be sure to check them out searching on the YouTube channel. This one in particular is the Max Slim Sleeve 11. It comes in a gray color. And it's very interesting. I'm liking their products. I'm liking the build of them. I'm liking the thought process that has gone in behind them. And I also like the fabric that they're taking and using that gives a nice protection to your laptops, your iPads, and things of that nature. But it's not too bulky and overly done, and just a very well-designed product. Its key features are a compact design and slim profile for easy carrying or for use inside of a backpack. It will just basically protect your laptop here. It's got an ID window for easy identification. It's got a front and back rigid panels for protection against compression. It's got a durable 900D polyester outside material. I really like this material. It's got a foam protector and top flap under the zipper for shock and drop protection. It's got large vertical YKK zipper openings for easy access to the inside, ergonomic foam padded carry handle for comfortable under-the-arm carrying, cell phone pocket on the front of the sleeve. Wasn't a big fan of how that is because it's kind of in the opposite end of what you'd hold this for to carry it, but you know, it does work if maybe you're just sitting down or maybe you want to put your phone into it while you're carrying it for the thing. I'm not sure if I'd leave my phone in there, but all being said, I think it did a good job. The other thing it comes with is a removable adjustable shoulder strap with padded shoulder pad. You can, of course, buy that separately. Overall, I just really like the product. I've been very impressed with the 3 we've gotten from these folks. Go to maxcases.com and be sure to check them out.